Thank you for calling Auto Bavaria Private Limited, the foremost state-of-the-art after-sales company and collision repair facility for BMW motor cars in Sri Lanka. With over 2,000 satisfied and loyal customers, we are by far the leader in BMW after-sales care in the country. Contact us today on 0761 757575, 075 745 7575 or 0760 757575 for further inquiries. BMW, we care. Thank you for calling Auto Bavaria Private Limited.